What's up, guys? It's Brian from HASHWAREHUB. It's about 10:20 a.m. January 15, 2018. We're coming to you with a brand new Bitcoin trading video. So hit the subscribe button, the notification bell if you guys are new to us. If you're watching this on DTube or Steam it, your Resteam and or upvote would be greatly appreciated. So what are we looking at here? We're looking at Bitcoin. A lot of things are going on. This is a 4-hour chart on Bitcoin from the Bitstamp exchange. And I know this looks like a big mess right now with a lot of lines going a lot of different directions. But we are at critical times right now on Bitcoin. We're at a critical juncture. And one of the good things we like to see here is the fact that the volume is falling down precipitously as we go through this triangular formation. And the reason why it makes us happy is because the lower the volume gets, the more this triangle is actually in effect. But one of the things we've been noticing here is kind of this bouncing around here, right here. And so we kind of zoomed in and tried to get some idea of what exactly is going on so we can make a better determination as to how to play this and how to monitor it. So right now I just moved this to a 1-hour chart, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move some of these lines off so you guys can see it a little more clearly. So the market seems to be in this wedge formation, okay, and then it bursted out of this wedge formation, and then it came back down and started testing it. One of the things that we see here is there's a possibility of this bearish flag, very, very small bearish flag, which obviously is not a good thing. So it's something we need to keep an eye on, because if this bearish flag does come into effect, the market could possibly turn down lower again. That's the first thing. The second thing is that we see this resistance line that is pretty strong. It hit it once, twice, 3, and right now it's at it right again. And this resistance line, taken with this bottom line here from the bearish flag, creates another triangular formation. So it basically behooves you to take a look at it and see it run its course. So what are we looking for? Okay, let's just sum this all up. What are we really looking for? We're looking for higher highs. But higher highs where? The higher high we're looking for is specifically right here where I drew this arrow. We need this higher high to pretty much come in right around this 14,600 level. We need this to come back up. So if it were to come back down here and then come back up, or however which way it goes ahead and does it, it needs to go ahead and make a higher high here. Okay, so if we call this A, B, C, D, and then if this were to come down and make an E, then we could possibly shoot up from here. That's if this triangular formation is truly in effect, and it very well may be, because if we go ahead and we look at the volume from here, right, the volume had a bit of a spike right here, and now it's coming down. So this may be a small triangle within a triangle. It's like a nested triangle, and that happens all the time. It's a common thing, and it's a way to go ahead and be a bit more surgical about analyzing what's going on in the market. So let's go ahead and take a bigger view now and layer in what we were looking at before. Okay, so this is for the triangle, the large triangle, right? So if this is C right here, then we're looking for D and then E. So what we'd like to see is that this were to burst through not only this small triangle, but also burst through this red line and then come up and make a D right here. Okay, I'm not really going to speak too much about the larger bearish flag that we may possibly have, because we have to get through all of this mess right here, this hornet's nest of resistance that is showing up before we even get into what's going on here. Okay, so if assuming we get through this hornet's nest of resistance and start making a D, then we can then go ahead and then start taking a look at what's going on possibly with this larger bearish flag. So let's go ahead and take a look at the algos and see what's going on there. Alright, so this is the algorithms. This is, again, Bitcoin is a 4-hour basis, and this is on Poloniex data. And it's actually looking pretty bullish, which is obviously something that we want to see. So where is it looking bullish? It's looking bullish right here. Okay, we had a uptick in the trend strength indicator right here with a blue cross, which is good to see. There was a blue line that had come in here, a support line, a hidden support line, but the market kind of came through it. And then again, there's another blue cross right here. So trend strength is shooting up. And we like to see that because that's showing bullish sentiment. At the same time, we do see here that the trend has kind of hit a bottom and it's moving up. MACD is kind of crossing over to a bullish, more of a bullish signal. And we also have the sign indicator, which has come from a low and is now curling up. So these are all bullish signs that possibly, at least in the near term, Bitcoin may be turning up. And so it's obviously, like I said, a good sign. If you obviously want Bitcoin to go up, then it's obviously a good sign. So, but it still doesn't mean that it's going to go ahead and make that higher high. We still need to go ahead and keep a very close eye on that. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to leave it right there. I hope you guys enjoyed, kind of the analysis that we did here. And if you do, definitely hit follow, resteam, and upvote would be greatly appreciated. Have a good day and happy trading.